Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I did this super colorful and vibrant eye look using the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. This look is really bold and it reminds me of a peacock for some reason. I don't know why. So if you're interested in this super fun look right here, then you are in the right place. Before I jump into the video, I just want to remind you to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. And let's not keep this intro going on any longer. Let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so I first started off by placing some loose powder underneath my eye right here and then placing some tape. That way I can have a clean, nice line at the end of this. And I'm going to first start off by grabbing the orange shade called Drinks, and I'm going to be placing that right here in the inner third of my eye. And I'm not really blending this color out, I'm just packing it on. That way it can be very vibrant. Next, I'm going to grab the pink shade, which is called Bottoms Up. And I'm going to place that right next to the orange. This shade is not matte like the orange one, so it's going to take a little bit longer to pack it on. It does have a lot of like glitter specks in it. Okay, I have packed it on as best as I can. Now I'm going to try to use my finger. So I'm going to grab some color with my finger and try to pack that on. As I'm doing this, I'm blending it into the orange. So there should be a gradient. Okay, now I'm going to grab a little fluffy blending brush and I'm going to grab Damage Control, just like that. It's pretty thin, but it's still a fluffy brush. So when you grab this color, you're going to be placing it on top of the orange and just blending it out right here. As you're pushing it in, gently blend it out. You're working this color over the two colors that you just placed on your eyelid. We need it the most vibrant over the orange. That way there can be a big contrast between the orange and blue. So it should be something like this. Now I'm going to grab some purple, which is called Hungover. I'm going to grab this purple and I'm going to be placing it next to the pink as well as blending it into the blue. But first I'm just going to place it next to the pink and I'm just packing it on right now. Okay, so now we've just packed on the purple next to the pink, and as you can see I didn't blend it out, but now we're going to be grabbing a fluffy brush like this and I'm going to grab some more purple and I'm going to blend out this purple that we packed on right here as well as the blue. So I'm just going to blend it all together and bring it into the blue. So I'm kind of pushing and then blending at the same time. Now when you're blending the purple into the blue, make sure you're blending it completely well, and you're going to end up bringing it over the pink a little bit. So it's going to be almost to the orange, but not completely there. And when you're in the outer corner like this, you just want to pack it on. Okay, now as you can see, we got a lot of fallout from the purple, but that's okay because we have tape right there, so that's good. So we've lost some pigment right here in the orange and some in the pink, so we have to go back over that and just add a little bit more color right there, just to keep the vibrancy. So I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used for the orange. Now for the pink, we're going to add some more pink. And the pink, we're going to be blending it between the orange and the purple. Alright guys, so after you are done with the top and you are completely satisfied with the colors blending together, just take off the tape and then dust off the loose powder that you had left. And now I'm going to be working with the under eye. So for the under eye, I'm going to be grabbing a dense brush for underneath the eyes. And I'm going to be grabbing the dark blue color, which is called Karaoke. Actually, it's not even like dark blue, it's more like a pure royal blue. But I'm going to be grabbing this color and I'm just going to be pushing it in underneath my eye like that. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't bring it all the way in just because I'm going to be blending this part with a yellow. Now I'm going to be grabbing the same color, but on a bit more flat brush so I can make a line. I can't find my flat eyeliner brush right now, but I'm just grabbing this brush right here, and I'm going to be bringing this blue that I have in my lower lash line, and I'm going to be making a wing with it underneath the purple. Don't sweep the product, just push it into a line. This would look so much cleaner and better if I was using a flat eyeliner brush. But this is what we have to work with. So I'm going to go back in with the very first brush that we were using, which is this fluffy brush right here, but it's kind of flat. And we're grabbing the first blue shade that we used right here. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit more, and I'm going to be blending this darker blue with this lighter blue. Now I'm going to grab Karaoke again, which is the darker blue, and I'm just going to press a little bit more in the outer corner to keep it bold and to keep that color vibrant right there. Now for the inner corner right here, I'm going to be grabbing Issa Party, which is a lemon lime color, I would say. And I'm just going to grab this little packing brush, and I'm just going to pack it on in the inner corner. And as I'm doing this, I'm blending it in with the orange and the blue up top, and bringing it down and blending it into the blue in the bottom. So we should have a very vibrant yellow going on in the inner corner, and then bringing it down to form a green and then go into the blue wing that we have going. Okay guys, so this should be it. Now I'm going to dust off this loose powder right here. And if you want to just adjust any little details, I'm going to add a little bit more blue in this wing right here. Alright guys, so this is the look. I'm going to go ahead and apply some liner and some lashes, and I'll be right back to show you the... Alright guys, so this is the completed look right here using the Los Angeles Party Animal palette. It is very bold and very colorful look, but I really like it. I used every color in the palette, and I think everything blended out very nicely and turned out well. I paired this look with a really bold wing going into my inner corner and then extending really far out, and some black liner in my inner lash line, and then some lashes that are pretty light and wispy, just so that you can see everything that's going on behind it. I also paired it with some nude lips. And that is pretty much it for this look. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and until next time, bye! I hope you had